I mean, what would you do if I just wanted all your records?
We're talking 45s and this?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's see. Let me just get an idea.
That's actually big here.
Yeah, I got a lot of stuff here.
That is it. New bed for you.
A new bed? Yeah.
There isn't that much stuff.
They got a lot of stuff
Look
there.
over there.
What?
There's some stuff for you.
What about for you?
No. Some that stuff over there for you.
Dishwasher. Yeah. Okay.
See that?
Heyo, the Smurfs.
This goes for her. This next to one of these. And then half walk through.
Okay, I think I have that. What's that?
Yeah, what do you-
But they're gone.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Good morning. How are y'all? Great. How much is your box?
It's her.
I don't know what
They've already gone.
What's that?
I don't know. See? You could use one of
Maybe-
these workies to walk through.
It's your money. You decide.
Camera.
How much for these two?
25 cents each.
Okay.
These are free!
Cool. That's a good deal.
I'll put them in here. Yay. Bye-bye, guys.
You got some good stuff, huh?
Yeah, we just need to get rid of it.
She's excited.
Does she need a bag?
Oh, her stuff, yeah. I thought you were talking about the rest. I was like, yeah, we
Yeah,
need to
same
get
about her
rid of
stuff.
it.
I'm good.
Thanks. You're good?
Thank you.
All right. Thank you guys.
The original
I got the
remote,
paint, Dad.
and there's even an HDMI
Cool.
cord attached to it.
Hey, Dad, is this already drawn
Jordan?
Yeah.
Maybe.
No,
I don't know.
That's both 50 cents. I'm taking them. Dad, I found something 250 cents.
Don't lose your money. It's interesting. Interesting stuff here. I feel like they haven't had that much business. There's a lot left. Prices are a little high. Not crazy though. That's nice.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I need 2 quarters for each.
Ah.
Las películas que veían ya rato de...
Ooh, records. How much is the DVD player?
That's $20.
20?
Yeah.
How much are the records? Oh, they're individually priced?
Don't go by the prices. They're $1 each.
$1 each, okay.
So those are super old. I didn't even know any of those people. Yeah, I mean, we're talking 40s.
Sing along with the honky tonks. Get some sticks.
2 quarters for both of these, right? 2 quarters for both of these?
Yeah, go ask.
Are they both?
Here we go.
2 quarters for both?
Yeah.
She's bargaining already.
Because that equals 2 quarters for
Slide pockets all the way.
What's that?
45.
50 were they 50 cents each?
Clear flash.
Right, 50 on that, and that one 50. Yep, you got it right. Absolutely. Thank you.
No problem. Oh, Daddy. I got these and no one painted it. And they're both 50 cents. Haha, I got it. I got it.
Yeah.
There are some money from that earlier. I'm still using it.
Time after time.
Guys, forecasting to buy my brother.
Oh, man. Wilson Phillips. Classic.
I haven't watered
Yeah.
I haven't watered my plant today.
You have a what?
I haven't watered my plant today.
Oh, you have to water your plant today?
Later, I'm gonna water my plant.
Is that complete?
Night Ranger. Pet Venator. Lover boy. Yeah.
Look a little more.
What's that?
Look a little more, and I'm looking a little more.
Yeah, I'm just. There's a lot of other toys. Did you look at all the toys?
No.
I mean, what would you do if I just wanted all your records?
We're talking 45s and this?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's see. Let me just get an idea. I used to have some really good
Daddy.
ones.
I have a big
Clean
collection.
unicorn.
Oh, cool.
I'm actually gonna. This is the last toy they had. I want it. I bet I know how much this is. I bet it is.
There's approximately, without me counting all of them, there's got to be over 50 of them in here. So 35.
35 for everything?
Yeah, and
With the
for
45.
these guys, with the
Okay.
45s, 50 for everything.
50.
You can even, and you can have all those too, if you want.
50.
Is this unicorn $1?
That was hers.
Is it $1?
Scared.
What if we took out these
Daddy,
ones?
I got the unicorn.
What if we did
right
that and the
Daddy.
cassettes? Then how much?
Same thing with me, because those look like more mine.
These are
were
the,
like
yeah, I'm not
older
familiar with
grandparents.
those ones, but if we did those, the 45s and the cassettes, maybe it's closer to my price target.
I got each 2 things. Dad, I got each of these right.
Nice.
I bet the painting sauce was also hers.
No, there's 29 of those. Make it to make $20 first.
20. Well, let me give you a little more. Let me give you like 30. Does that work? That's more what I was thinking. There
That'll
you go.
work.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready,
Nice.
let me know, and if you want,
Yeah.
help transport
Yeah.
these things.
We could probably just stack those on
Yeah,
there.
that will work. That
And
will
then-
work.
Yeah, that'll be fun. You ready? Well, Callie, you still got so much cool stuff here. She's trying to make me leave already. Yeah, they're kind of hard to pull out, right? Oops.
Yeah, I know how valuable these things are.
Dad.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah.
A donkey.
Man.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Now this baby.
Yes, game. Hello. I don't think any of those are good. Deal or no deal?
Is this $5?
Let me take a look.
A donkey?
It says collector's edition. Yeah, that's pretty expensive. I don't know. You can ask. That might not be the. Well, it probably is. It's a little pricey.
No, that's how much this came up with.
Hey, Callie. Your money's on the ground.
Oh.
Dave and Buster's. Lawn dart. Aren't these like illegal? Oh, this is a safe version. It's the safe, not murder you version. Some of those are dangerous. Build-A-Bear. Let's see, anything else I want? What?
I used my last dollar for this kitty.
Last dollar?
But I still have a lot of cents.
You have a lot of pennies.
So and quarters and nickels. So I
Yeah.
bet this equals some dollars.
What is this back here? It says like a Kodak Mini.
Whoa!
American Girl book.
Piggy bank. $3.
$1. Yeah.
Pick up for $1.
Cool. CD
Oh,
player.
see, my pennies have enough.
What's the brand on that?
Dad,
Yeah.
I see my pennies and nickels have enough.
Branded? Unbranded?
Probably does. Well, what is this? All this is foam, Dad.
Okay, well, it's just to hold stuff, I guess. Carolyn daughter. I don't know.
We see my pennies and stuff have enough.
Routers.
I know more quarters and stuff, so let's see.
Count your pennies.
I need some here.
Oops. How much is this stuff?
Oh, you guys are, that's all.
Like, that one's mine.
Tell me find
Three.
it.
How much?
What do you need?
Three.
What are we
Two.
looking for?
3 and then 4.
So you can have that for $1.
I think that's
I don't have it all, but
This is 4 or this is 1?
more than $1 in here.
This is $4 or this is $1?
Count.
Okay, so
This is
3, 4,
Do you know what a dime
and then...
and then I'd say
little
2.
ones?
$2 is fine
Yeah,
for
see
that.
if you can count 10
let
around.
me see. Yeah, might pass on that. It's a little beat up. And what'd you say on your bear?
$2.
$2. So 6.
You got 3, 4.
Give change for a 10?
Yep.
And that was 6.
Yeah, I
So
was gonna
4.
say, I don't remember.
4 back?
Yeah, get 4.
Got 'em in.
There you go.
Nice. Would you do 15 on that VCR?
Yes, that's fine.
That's a nickel, so if you have another nickel, that makes sense.
Thanks.
I'm very good for you.
The nickel right here. Yep, a nickel is 5 cents.
Cool, thank you.
Yep, you want to put the stuff on top of it all?
Yeah, that's probably
Make it
smarter
easy
than
for
what
you.
I'm doing,
There
yeah.
you go.
Thank you. Oh, let me just get...
Daddy,
What up?
that's my money bag.
Your money bag? Your money bag's probably getting low now.
That's my money bag. That's my money box. Save my money. That's my money.
Who's this Simon?
$1.
Yeah, that's fine.
Dad,
Yeah, Cal.
I think I'm dead. Oh, it's so
Is that everything I want? Men are from Mars. Yeah, Cal. Alright, well, let me just look at one thing.
Oh, you're on your bag? Oh, right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So $3.
like that. Roller skates. Oh,
Careful.
Break down the house. 3 on this?
or 5. Dad, over here.
You can tell we've used it a lot.
Yeah. It seems like a good re-gifting opportunity for me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Brought my youngest with me. I don't bring her all the time just because she is a bit of a handful, but she's a really fun and cute handful. So, and she loves going. So I did bring her to these sales and we had a great time. A lot of fun. I was kind of doing kind of a, you know, I have a couple different modes of flipping. I've got like hardcore, gotta buy everything first mode, and then I've got just relaxed, like if I find stuff mode. I'd say for these sales, I was more just relaxed and just having fun. Which I actually still got a lot of really great stuff. I got, you know, my favorite thing, which is a bunch of records and cassettes. And I have not looked through these yet, but there's no way that 30 bucks was too much. I actually paid him a little more. So I was thinking 30 the whole time. He had started at 50. I was like, that's a little too much. Let's take out these oldies. There was a bunch of oldies that I wasn't interested in. And he came back with 20, and I was like, it's a little bit too cheap. Let me do 30. And he threw in all the cassettes too. They're all singles. So yeah, I mean, what do we got? Ice House. I don't know. What is that? These are all punched out for a jukebox, it looks like. I don't know if that affects the value. I've never sold them like that before. Only the 45s have that going on. The Elton John. And then I got the 12-inch. I already was playing this John Cougar Mellencamp. It played fine. And I don't know. We got a bunch of cool stuff. I went through them a bunch in the video, so I'm not going to go through them all here. But yeah, I'll enjoy listing those and selling them. We should get 30 bucks back from that. My wife helped me list the cassettes, the singles, and I'll show you. We put them in this drawer here. So any cassette in here is listed for at least $5 plus shipping based on comps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 of them listed for at least $5, somewhere up closer to $10, but yeah, 21 of them listed for, you know, at least $5, which is $100 just in the cassettes. And then the records will be, you know, all profit after the cassettes sell, after a couple of the cassettes sell. So definitely had a good buy there. Got a bunch of other little small things, some games I thought were funny. This is a sealed Men Are from Mars, Women Are from Venus. I figured it'd probably sell for 15 bucks, or I can just re-gift it. Also got a Build-A-Bear, and I got this DVD VCR combo, Samsung with the remote. I haven't looked that up yet. You know, I figure it's probably good for 50 bucks. Callie bought a bunch of toys she's been playing with, so she got great deals because she's, you know, little, and they always give her good deals. So yeah, we had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us, and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Make sure you check out my NC Flipper channel if you want to see what everything's sold for and get into all the, you know, boring details. Yeah, thank you guys. Catch you next time.